Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics 4 with Tag Manager step by step clearly. To activate Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container for the website you want to track. Next, click on the Tags section in the left sidebar. Then, select the New button to create a new tag. Choose Tag Configuration to open the Tag Types menu. Scroll down and select Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Enter your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. You can find this ID in your Google Analytics 4 property settings. After entering the measurement ID, look for the triggering section. Click on the plus icon to add a trigger. Select all pages to fire this tag on every page of your website. Once you've added the trigger, click Save to save your tag configuration. Now, it's time to test your tag setup. In the top right corner, click on the Preview button. This will open a new window showing your website in debug mode. Visit your website in the debug mode window. You should see the Google Tag Manager debug console at the bottom. Ensure your GA4 tag is firing correctly by checking the tags that fired. If the tag is firing, you are ready to publish your changes. Go back to Google Tag Manager and click on the Submit button. Provide a version name and description for your changes, then click Publish. To verify everything is working, go back to Google Analytics 4. In the real-time reports, you should see active users on your website. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.